In this video, let me show you how to optimize your Indeed profile. The Indeed profile that you have is kind of like an online resume when, if optimized, can help you show up more in the recruiter searches. Now there are multiple things that you can do. I'm going to show you a couple of things that you can try out in order to improve your Indeed profile. The first thing you can do is complete every section, meaning if you head over to the profile section, you first of all need to make sure that a CV is uploaded or a CV is built through the Indeed section. Other than your CV, there are other sections as well inside of Indeed. If you scroll down a bit, you're going to see different sections such as qualifications, your skills, and your experiences. Make sure you fill in all of this information inside of your profile. Secondly, you can add in a strong summary. You can write a short professional summary that can highlight who you are, your key skills, and the type of jobs that you're looking for. This way, it gives a brief overview of what you do, and it also helps you appear in more searches when recruiters search. Now, whenever recruiters search for you online, they're gonna type in certain keywords. So the next thing that you can do is use keywords that employers likely search for. So if, for example, if you work in logistics, make sure that the logistic word or its synonyms are included inside of your resume. This way your profile ranks up higher in these search results of Indeed. Now what you can also do is, which not many people do, if you head over to the profile section, you have a separate option called job preferences. You can update your desired roles, the work type, and preferred locations. This way Indeed's algorithm uses these settings to match you with your right opportunities. So if you follow these couple of steps, you can easily optimize your profile to increase the probabilities of you finding the perfect job. So that's pretty much how you optimize your Indeed profile for better job matches. If this video helped you out, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe for more future videos just like this.